What if I tell you you can go from a 580 credit score to a 780 credit score in a matter of 30 days? Now you'll tell me, Sherry, this is virtually impossible because everyone know that it takes months, even years of on-time payments to increase your credit score. But that is not wholly true because there is a mechanism built into the credit score, sort of like a credit loophole where you can build your credit and increase your credit score faster than just making on-time payments over time. For example, if a person said that it took them 19 hours to travel from New Jersey to Florida, that could be true, especially if that person drove. But if you add another person and they told them the time it took them to go from New Jersey to Florida only took them 2.5 hours, that could be true too, because that person could have flown. The second person in that example, by flying, took a more efficient way of getting to the same destination. And you can too by building your credit. And this can also save you thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars over the lifetime of a home loan in itself by increasing your credit score in a more efficient way. So let's break down how your credit score works. Your credit score is based on 5 factors. Now, the first factor is payment history. This is 35%. This means how did you pay your bills in the past? Did you pay it on time? The second largest factor is debt to available credit or utilization. That is 30%. And the third factor is age of credit. This makes up 15%. And this is how old is your credit accounts on average. Then the fourth factor is mix of credit. How have you handled various types of credit products or types of trade lines? This is 10% of your credit score. And the fifth and the final is new inquiries. This is 10%. Now, this means, have you been looking for credit? And how recently have you been looking for credit? This makes up your credit score. Now, the reason people focus when making on-time payments over time, because payment history is 35% of your credit score, your largest chunk. But the mechanism to increase your credit score fast is utilization, debt to available credit. Because unlike making on-time payments with payment history, it's very hard to change the past. And you have to wait for new payments to compile to increase your credit score by moving forward over time. Utilization actually changes every month, and you get an opportunity when and in that month cycle to increase your credit score by focusing on that area. Payment history, which is 35%, and utilization, 30%, together make up 65% of your credit score. So credit is nothing but an algorithm. And so focusing on these 2 areas, you can increase your credit score, and utilization is key to increase it fast. Now, what types of accounts can we actually attain to help these 2 factors and to increase our credit score fast? So you must understand how the banks work and why the credit score was created. Understand, banks primarily make money off of interest. It's a little known factor that banks actually need you to stay in business. And so the reason why they created the credit score is not for your benefit. It is actually a calculation on how profitable you are. And so the credit system is not made for you. It was designed for the banks to know how much money they can make off you. And so with banks, because they make their money primarily off of interest, one of the things that they like to look at is utilization, which is debt to available credit. In this category, they reward by it being 30% of your credit score because payment history and utilization only have a 5% difference in its rating, because many people look at on-time payments of payment history is installment loans, like your car loan and even your mortgage. But the problem with installment loans is these actually close. They have a set date. Even with a 30-year mortgage, the banks only have 30 years to make money off of you, or a car loan, 3 to 7 years to make money off of you. And because of that, you'll see that with banks, when you paid off your car loan in the past, you thought your credit score would skyrocket because you've been responsible with credit and paid the loan off. But to your surprise, your credit score drops because you stopped the opportunity from the bank to make interest off of you. And this is why with bank, age of credit, which is 15%, is important because they want the opportunity to keep making money, to keep you in debt by paying them interest. So when it comes to debt to available credit with utilization, it's credit cards, revolving lines of credit. The reason why this is rewarded by banks, because they generally don't close them out unless you shut down that account. That account don't have a set period of time for it to close. It's revolving. It stays open. And so when it comes down to the lines of credit, any credit cards, revolving lines of credit, this is the key to skyrocket your credit score quickly, because just like with installment loans, with help your payment history, you can build that category of payment history with revolving lines of credit and credit cards, because as you pay that on time, that actually helps your payment history. But it offers something that installment loan doesn't. It actually helps your utilization category, which installment loans don't. And it additionally helps your age of credit category. Now, here's the credit loophole, depending on your starting point. So if you're a person under a 700 credit score, you don't have to remove any negative items to see your score go up. Just adding a revolving line of credit, you'll see a 50-point increase on average within 30 days when that card reports. Now, what you want to do is also take a second step. And this is going to be for people over a 700 credit score. You can also add on a authorized user account. An authorized user account is when you're added on to someone else's credit card. Now, that person do not have to give you that credit card to use. They only need to add you on as an authorized user, activate the card, and they can keep the card. But by them adding you on, that's adding on a revolving line of credit. You want to make sure that they're getting your social security information, and also at their residence, they can use your address as their address when they're reporting it to their credit card company. By adding you on, primarily you want this credit line to be more than 10 years old, and you must have that utilization at bare minimum on that card under 29%. And you will see your credit score skyrocket. The reason why is because with that account, you're going to add on backdated on-time payments. So in order for that to happen, make sure whoever is adding you on never miss any payments on that account. Because if they did, by adding you on, you would get a late payment. But as long as they've been on time and you are an authorized user, you will generally get all that back on time payment history. And that can help increase your credit score. And you will see a large increase because those back payments is adding on positive on-time payments and additionally helping your utilization and your age of credit, which is 15% of your credit score. Now, if you're a person at that 700 credit score and you add those requirements on, as I just listed out, and if you're at a 700 credit score, you can see a 150-point increase in your credit score. Now, a person under that 700 credit score, you can see a 200-point increase in your credit score by taking those steps. Now, with the person under that 700 credit score, you can just simply get a new line of credit and add on an authorized user account over that 10-year-old, and that's under 29% utilization. And that can help you get that 200 points. Now, with the person that is over that 700 credit score, you want to strictly add on only authorized user accounts, at least two, so you don't see your score decrease, because adding on a new account, brand new, is reducing your overall age of credit, and you do not want to mess with that. Now, the other warning that you want to be aware of, you want to make sure you look at your negative accounts, where they stand. Make sure they are not hitting you late every month. If you have a charge off or collection that is not saying CO, because if they're doing that, that is to keep your credit score down. And if you have any credit card or open accounts, like your car loan backed up, this will not work for you because you have an account hitting you late every month. That must stop, just like with that charge off. But generally, charge offs and collections, if they stop reporting with a CO, and it's just standing still, then that will not affect your credit score. But if they're hitting you with that CO mark or a C, then you need to dispute it in order to get your score to go up. Now, with my elite credit system, users like Greg was able to remove a collection in a matter of 12 days. So if you need my help with my AI software and credit coaching, that link will be in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. But by adding on those unsecured accounts, you can see a massive increase in your credit score. And additionally, you using authorized user accounts, you will not see your score go down by using that method, because there is no hard inquiry. Generally, when they add you on, most credit card companies is not going to pull your credit, because they're not judging your credit in order to give you that line of credit. You're only an authorized user. So that is the benefit, that you don't see your score decrease for hard inquiries. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. More detailed questions for me, you can go to my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.